Hey guys, welcome back to another awesome video. In this video, I am going to tell you top 5 best code editors for Python. Without wasting time, let's begin. Number 1 is Spyder. It's another good open source and cross-platform IDE written in Python. It is also called Scientific Python Development IDE, and it is the most lightweight IDE for Python. It is mainly used by data scientists who can integrate. Some main features of Spyder are 1. Auto code completion and syntax highlighting. 2. Ability to search and edit the variables from the graphical user interface itself. 3. Static code analysis. 4. It is very efficient in tracing each step of the script. Number 4 is Sublime Text. It is written by a Google engineer. Sublime Text is a cross-platform IDE developed in C++ and Python. It has basic built-in support for Python. Sublime Text is fast and you can customize this editor as per your need. Some main features of Sublime Text are 1. Go to anything for opening files, with a few clicks, and can navigate to words or symbols. 2. Python-based plugin API. 3. Syntax highlighting and allows simultaneous editing. Number 3 is Atom. It's an open-source cross-platform IDE built using web technologies. It is based on a framework built by GitHub named Electron. Atom is highly customizable and provides Python language support. Some main features of Atom are 1. Enables support for third-party packages. 2. Lightweight, smart auto-completion, multi-language support with good syntax highlighting. 3. Multiple panes and themes. Number 2 is Visual Studio Code. VS Code is a free and open-source code editor created by Microsoft that can be used for Python development. You can add the extension to create a Python development environment. Some main features of VS Code are 1. Thousands of plugins/extensions are available through the VS Code marketplace. 2. Powerful debugger by which the user can debug code from the editor itself. 3. Easily customizable, multi-platform. Multi-language. Number 1 is Pycharm. In industries, most professional developers use Pycharm, and it has been considered the best IDE for Python developers. It was developed by the Czech company JetBrains, and it's a cross-platform IDE. Some main features of Pycharm are 1. It is considered an intelligent code editor, fast and safe refactoring and smart code. 2. Features for debugging, profiling, remote development, testing the code, auto code completion, quick fixing, error detection.